On this call out, I am repairing this fridge. The owner says the fridge is not getting cold, but the freezer is working 100%. On every refrigerator that I repair, I always want to consider this information. Apart from knowing the model number and everything that is written here, the most important thing to me is the refrigerant. Now, the refrigerant for this fridge is R600. Now I want to go to the back and check if the compressor corresponds with the information here. We can see that the compressor here is using R600. So that means this is the original compressor, and I can see that no one has ever serviced this fridge before. This is the wiring diagram, and it's gonna help me a lot when I am testing each component on the freezer compartment and the fridge compartment. Since this is a frost-free fridge freezer, I'm gonna remove the cover on the freezer. What I want here is the temperature sensor, because the wiring diagram tells me that there is a temperature sensor here. The other thing that I want is the fuse for a heating element. The wiring diagram says there are two fuses for a heating element, one on the neutral side and one on the live side. So I want to test both fuses and the temperature sensor. I know that if we have a faulty sensor, this problem will occur, as well as when we have a faulty fuse, this problem will occur. One more thing that can cause this problem is the heating element at the bottom of the evaporator. So I also want to test it. Should everything on the freezer test okay, I will then go to the fridge and test the temperature sensor on the fridge. Once the temperature sensor on the fridge measures fine, that means the problem is with the PC board. Well, after testing everything, I saw that this defrost temperature sensor is faulty, so I replaced it with the one that you see, which has a white wire, not the orange wire. So I just joined the wires. Now my job is complete. I must put back things as they were, get paid, and leave. The hole that you see here is the hole that takes the air, the cold air on top, some vents here, and some other air vents there. That is the thermostat that controls the temperature of the fridge. There is also a door switch on this fridge. So if you want to put this fridge on super freeze, this is the button that you use next to the switch, and this is the button for setting temperature, and the temperature set will display there. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share.